Hello, I'm in a 2014 Nissan Versa Note, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we'll go right down here, and you should see a lever here that will pull, that releases the safety. You should feel a little tension. If not, make sure this cable here is attached and everything's properly tightened in. Now we'll go up to the front. You should see that the hood's a little loose now. Most vehicle models, there's a lever support towards the middle. So this one, it's right there, so we'll push and lift. So you can see there's where it was hooked in, and then this is what that component looked like with the lever. It should move fairly freely. Check, make sure there's no debris caught in here. It might need a little WD-40 to loosen it up. And yeah, everything's secure and straight. Same with the hood. If something's bent out of place or out of alignment, you might have issues with that. Otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.